There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Now,
Oh my god, she's into the microphone. Oh my god, that's so funny. Okay. Oh my god, Peach. No, no my god. The dead cat, she wants the dead cat.
to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
Hi there, friends. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Sunday evening, or probably happy Monday. Wishing you a good week. We are heading this week to Las Vegas, Nevada. Cuckoo, are we crazy? Well, our friend from Houston, she is having her birthday same day that we are celebrating our wedding anniversary. 5 years wedding anniversary. So today is Sunday. We left yesterday San Diego. We stopped by Julian because we love the hard cider from there. And this is gonna be like a change, a little bit of change and comfort. We are gonna be staying at a hotel, and it's gonna be okay to enjoy a little bit of comfort in general. So our reservation is on Tuesday, so we didn't want to stay there in San Diego because it's hot as well and in the city, so we wanted to go already hit the road. So we were looking for a place to stay in the middle, in between, like something like this, like in the woods, a little bit better quality of weather. And yeah, here is amazing. So we just found the best place for that would be Big Bear Lake. So here we are at a wild camping spot, not near the lake because that is really hard to find, but here. And I'm sorry for the noise, I'm sorry for the airplanes. They are non-stop. I don't know if there's an airport nearby, but they have been like non-stop between one and another. There is like just a couple of minutes, so I'm sorry for the noise, and I don't have much time to work this video very well because I want to share it as soon as possible, because I want to reach anybody who's there in the area. A meetup up there in Las Vegas would be nice. So we are meeting a friend, a subscriber, who has been one of the most kind and sweetest persons. She always makes the best, sweetest comments, and I'm really happy to go there and just meet with her. So if anybody else is in the area and would love to meet with us, please let us know on the comment section. Maybe you won't get this message, won't get on time, but at least we try. So yeah, that's it. Our wedding anniversary is on Wednesday, and we are heading to Las Vegas and gonna be a little bit of fun with our friends over there. Pool time, casino time, and hot showers, good food, you know, a little bit of pressure. Sometimes it's good. So yeah, gonna spend the night and wake up tomorrow, have a nice breakfast, and hit the road. And if you're not there, we just wanted to share because yeah, that's the thing. Once again, life happens and work, and the week was kind of like flew. It's gonna be a little bit busy this week, and I won't be able to edit another video and watch videos. I'll do my best to watch your videos, guys, but I don't know why it's been so hard lately with time. I don't know what's going on, but it's been really hard to manage time and to try to do everything. Apart from the channel is going really slow from my part. I mean, I haven't been posting many videos, so I have to work on that. And so anyways, I'll try to put together this video and share it as soon as possible. So I think you will be watching this on Monday morning. I hope so. So wishing you a good day and a good, wonderful, great week ahead. And I hope that it is not so hot wherever you are, and if it's hot, that you have the means to stay cool. That's very important. Hydrate, drink lots of water, and yeah, stay cool somehow. That's what we are doing. Well, no, that's not what we are doing. We are going just straight to the heat. We are crazy or not. But yeah, at least we are gonna be in the hotel, and I hope that the air conditioning and in the casinos is gonna be okay. I hope. In event, we wouldn't be able to stay there for too long. So if you would like to meet, let us know on the comment section. And that's it. Wishing you the best. And Vlad is walking somewhere there because it's gonna be dark very soon. So take care of yourself, stay safe, stay cool, and wishing you the best as always. Much love. Bye. And